Have you ever noticed how human beings treat admitting a mistake as if it's a paid subscription? We'll pay for everything on earth, but not accountability. If someone catches us making a mistake, we don't simply say, "You are right." First comes the presentation, then the supporting evidence, then historical context dating back to 2008. And by the end of the conversation, nobody really remembers the mistake. They are just so exhausted. And it's almost very funny, yet so deeply human. As an author who spends a ridiculous amount of time with fictional characters inside fictional minds, I have learned that people rarely lie to others first. They lie to themselves. As humans, we tend to edit our memories, we justify decisions, we explain and rewrite our intentions. We're basically our own unreliable narrators. And that's why I love writing psychological thrillers. The real suspense isn't finding out who committed the mistake, the blunder, or the crime. It's watching the human mind convince itself that it did not. Here's the irony. Most people think admitting a mistake would make them look weak. I think refusing to admit makes you more predictable. And predictable itself generates boring characters. The characters readers remember long after the last page are the ones who are really perfect. They are the ones who look at themselves and they say that I hate what I did, but I'm not going to pretend that I didn't do it. That single sentence creates more growth than 100 excuses. And the same applies within the books also. Within the books, outside the books, you'll find the same connection somewhere. Every relationship, every workplace, every family argument would become dramatically shorter if just one person said that you are right, I was wrong. I find there's absolutely no need of emotional gymnastics that we tend to play. Maybe just a few honest words would be enough, because acknowledging a mistake doesn't change the conversation, it changes the person saying it, and that is the most uncomfortable part. Now, as writers, we are obsessed with character arcs. Life gives us opportunities to have one or generate one every single day, and most of us simply decline the offer. But if you enjoy exploring human psychology, flawed characters, uncomfortable truths, and stories that make you question people, including yourself, you are exactly who I write for. I try to include all these themes, all these flawed characters, the lies, the human minds, the vulnerabilities, the insecurities within the books that I write. So just stick around. The next plot twist might be right inside your own mind.